Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to collect your data from Google Form into Google spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So first thing you have to do now is just find out your Google Form that you already made and already filled by the people or the audience. And here I would like to open mine. So here I already have the Google Form that I already spread out into people, and it's already fulfilled by peoples too, so that we can collect the data from the respondents that already filled this questionnaire into Google Sheets or spreadsheet form. So the way to collect the data, you just need to go from questions into responses. Click the responses part, and after that you can see there will be a spreadsheet symbols of a year. You just need to simply click this and hold on, and you will be generated into this spreadsheet on your phone. Now you already have a data that you get from the Google Form, or the Google Form or the questionnaire that you already spread it out. You already have the timestamp, the people who filling the questionnaire, as well as the responses here. You just need to store it and read all of the data and make a result or analysis. So that's the way how to get a spreadsheet from this Google Form to collect data. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.